OpenAI just dropped Codex in the ChatGPT mobile app. So if you open up Codex now, you're going to see this little thing here that says Codex Mobile. I'm going to click on it. You'll see this screen, and then I'm going to click over here to say Get Started. All right, apparently I need multi-factor authentication. All right, I set up multi-factor authentication. Let's try this. Allow devices to control this computer. I'm going to scan this with my phone. All right, so it now says I'm connected, had to go through a few password prompts on my phone. Keep this Mac awake, enable computer use, set up Chrome extension. Done. All right, this is pretty freaking cool. Let me show you guys. So if you look here, I'm going to have my assistant zoom this in, but if you look here, basically got all my projects just listed right out here. And so I'm going to be controlling this, hands-free right now from my phone on my computer. Let's see how this goes. All right, so I've got a project here which I want to try to merge in the PR. And so let's see what happens when I, with voice, try to do. Can you merge in the pull requests now? I think we're pretty much. All right, so on the screen, if you look here, you see this thing is now working. It wasn't before. I did that from my phone. All right, so something interesting is that I see that it's asking for approval, and I'm not seeing that approval show up on my screen. All right, now it shows up. So there's a little bit of a lag. Allow network access to GitHub so I can verify PR 137 status before merging it. Let me actually show you guys this so you can see like what's going on. And so this is interesting here, right? So I've got full access on here. And so ostensibly, it should just let me do this on my own. Interesting. So if you look here, again, I'll zoom in. This thing has its own permissions that's kind of like separate or distinct from the permissions that is in the Codex desktop app. And so if I change the permissions here from custom to, full access, then I think I'll be able to start doing things without it requesting permissions. Though I actually recommend auto review as being a better, safer permissions. So that's what I'll do. Now let me ask it, can you monitor the deploy so that we can verify when exactly it's live? All right, so it just showed up on the screen. This is coming from my phone. Yo, this is lit. Like, this is fucking awesome. Let me tell you guys how crazy I am. I work out in my apartment gym, which has like god awful Wi-Fi, and I'll bring my laptop there so that I can keep some like agents running in between sets of pull-ups. Now I can just stay on my fucking phone. This is fucking amazing. Holy shit. Something else nice about this is that this is rolling out as a preview in all supported regions. So everybody's getting this. I had put out this video on the Codex Chrome plugin, which is awesome, a few days ago. And a lot of you were disappointed because it wasn't available in your app. I think it's only available right now in the United States, maybe some other Western countries. But this one is available for everyone. And so honestly, for me, I'm not sure why I would want an OpenClaw anymore. Like, I'm happier just using this thing all the time. I guess one risk is that the computer has to actually be on and open, so you want it to be in a safe place. But my door has locks, so I'm good with that. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Short video, pretty amazing feature. I'm going to be playing around with this like right now. Anything you could do on your computer, apparently you can now do from your phone. If you're not caught up with Codex, which really is the best coding model now, I recommend this 4-hour course I put out 12 days ago on Codex from beginning, like you don't know anything, all the way to being able to ship and deploy your own web apps. Additionally, if you join my school server and come over here to the classroom section, I've got about 250 or so course slides that you can download on everything I talk about in the course. So Get up to speed with Codex. It is the best tool out there right now, and it just got better. Until next time, guys, peace.